Finding a solution to eradicating cancer starts with a question. Cancer researchers and physicians think of a question or a problem to solve. They begin a research study that follows established protocols based on scientific discoveries. These studies seek to develop new tests, medicines, and treatments, and evaluate their effects on human health. There's a myth that clinical trials are only for patients who have an advanced stage of cancer and have no other options. Not true. Cancer clinical trials are available for all stages of cancer, including patients who have early-stage cancers and have not yet started therapy. Clinical trials are carefully designed and reviewed and must be approved by independent reviewers, those not involved with the study, before they can begin. Clinical trials are initiated to improve ways to prevent cancer from developing, create new diagnostic tools to find cancer as early as possible, or prevent cancer's spread or return, develop new cancer medications or safer, more effective ways to use current medicines, create new clinical procedures for surgery, radiation, chemotherapy, or immunotherapy, gather data from patients and individuals to learn important information about how cancer develops, grows, and spreads. Who can enroll in a cancer clinical trial? There's a myth that clinical trials are only for older adults. Not true. Clinical trials are designed for all ages. Patients who are being treated for cancer can speak to their doctor to learn if there is a clinical trial for their type of cancer and to find out if they meet the eligibility criteria for a trial. Eligibility criteria can include requirements like a specific type or stage of cancer, prior therapies received, additional medical criteria, and other requirements specific to each study. There's a myth that cancer clinical trials are only for patients who have been diagnosed with cancer. Not true. Many trials include people who do not have cancer, but are at an increased risk for developing a specific type of cancer. Other trials are conducted to establish better screening strategies for detecting cancers at an earlier, more curable stage. Participating in a clinical trial is totally voluntary. All medicines and treatments that are now being used for patients with cancer were once part of a clinical trial. Without clinical trials, there wouldn't be any new therapies, new treatments, improvements in cancer screening and prevention, or hope for millions of patients with cancer. All healthcare professionals who are committed to unraveling the mysteries of cancer and caring for those who have cancer sincerely thank all participants who make clinical trials possible. They are the true superheroes in the crusade against cancer.